how to buy the usual token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, to be able to buy this token, make sure to take a look on the X account. They have a big community, as you can see here. Now, after that, go and on CoinMarketCap. This is our token on CoinMarketCap. Now, just scroll down as you can see. Now, copy the token address, and this token is came under the Ethereum network. Now, I will use Bitget Wallet for this to buy this token. Now, just go and open your wallet. Now, from here, choose the network Ethereum. And now click on this little plus icon and now place the token address, as you can see, to be able to find the right token. As you can see, this is our token. Just click on it on plus. Now after that, go back on your wallet to be able to find the token. As you can see, this is our token. Now click on it. Now after that, as you can see, click on swap. Now here switch it, and now here select your crypto that you want to buy with. For example, if you select USDT, make sure you have enough USDT on your Bitget wallet. Now here type how much you want to buy and wait a few seconds to be able to see how much you will receive. So this is how much you will receive of this token. Now after that, just click on the swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy the usual token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.